All right, we got a 2019 BMW 330i. We're gonna show you guys how to take out this panel. So what you want to do is, there's a screw here. You want to hold this open. You want to remove this little guy right here. Just use a pick, and you're gonna have a screw like this behind it. You use the torque. This is a T20. That's the size. And then there's another screw right down here, right there. We remove that. After that, what we're gonna do is, you want to pull this whole cover straight out. Let's see if I got some space here. All right, ready? You holding it? All right, have somebody hold the door for you so it doesn't move. And all you do is yank on this guy, and this guy just comes right off. And that's it. Hold it for me. That's how simple that is. Okay, this guy is stuck right behind it, so just go underneath a bit. Let me just pull a little bit more. Might be another clip here. One of the clip fell on the ground. Okay, there you go. It's just a lot of clips, and that's it. After that, you want to change your speaker, motor, mirror, whatever you want to do. Hold this from right here. And if you want to change the mirror, all you gotta do is pull this forward. You got all the screws right in back of it right here. There's one here and two down here, and a connector.